So today we're going to be playing Dreamlight Valley, and I'm going to show you how to do your dream snaps. So now you're going to use the filters. So this is black and purple. Then you're going to want to do Wonderless and Strong. And then it's going to give you all of what you can use and put in your room. So that is the wallpaper I chose. Next, we're going to choose a floor, different flooring, and you'll see what that looks like. Next, choose your furniture and put it throughout the room, but try to do a lot in one spot. I choose a window that would go great with the wallpaper. Next, I put the 100 posters up in the room. Just put them anywhere on the walls. You can have them together or on each side of the wall. It doesn't really matter. Why not put a TV in this room? They need something to do in this room. Next, I put a shell out in the room that it would give it a nice sea theme, since I have some sea stuff already in the room as well. I think this magnificent chair looks amazing, and it goes really well with the room. So we're gonna try to take a picture right here, see if this counts for your dream snap. I don't think it will, but who knows? It did not count for the dream snap, so I'm gonna have to change my clothes. So I ended up changing my clothes. I just put a bunch of random stuff on, and it took. So I'm rocking the Buzz Lightyear pants and the jacket. And I put Ninth Thrones on. So let's take the picture and see if it takes. So as you can see, it did take in the dream snap. The picture was submitted. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more.